Hey guys, it's Erin, and today I'm doing this nail art inspired by Taylor Swift's newest album, Lover. You guys might remember that I'm a really big Taylor Swift fan, and I really love the aesthetic of this new album, so I wanted to recreate it on my nails. So I'm starting off with a base coat. And then I'm going to be painting all of my nails white since I'm doing a gradient on top. And I want my base to be completely dry before I start my gradient, so just to speed things up, I'm applying a layer of top coat. Now I'm taking the Simply Peel liquid latex and painting that all around my nail to minimize cleanup later. Now with a makeup sponge, I'm taking a bunch of pastel colors and dotting them randomly across the sponge to look like the cover art. And then I'm just rolling that sponge onto my nail and dabbing up and down to blend the colors together. Reapply the polish to the sponge and repeat this process until you're happy with your gradient. Then I'm taking my tweezers to peel off the latex and doing any additional cleanup with a small brush dipped in nail polish remover. On my ring finger, I really wanted to recreate the heart that Taylor has across her eye on the album cover, so I'm taking this glittery pink nail polish and just painting a hollow heart. And this next part was really hard to film, but I did paint Lover on my thumb. So I just took a really small brush, I'll have it linked in the description below, and with that same glittery pink polish, I just painted Lover like it is on the album cover. Finally, I'm applying a layer of top coat to all my nails. And that's the finished design. I really hope you guys liked it. I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. Be sure to let me know in the comments below if you've listened to the album yet and what your favorite song off of Lover is. As always, I have more pictures and information up on my blog, and I also wrote about the time that Taylor Swift handed me her hat at the Red Tour concert, so click here or the link in the description to check that out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment telling me what video you want to see next.